Hey guys! Welcome to Vlogalotti's TV, and today I am featuring my beautiful and strong sister, Jacqueline, who is a cardio kickboxing queen. She's super hyper, and I know you guys are gonna love her. She's just like me, but in cardio form. So cool.
Alright, are you guys ready? Remember your basic form. We're gonna start out with a quick 2-second warm-up. Guards up right here, feet together. Let's start out with hops. Side and side. Come on, up and up.
Ooh,
nice.
like bunnies, yeah!
Bunnies, come on. 8, 7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2,
bob and weave. Let's go. Low and low. Come on, get low. You're ducking that punch.
ooh,
Oh,
just missed it. Whoa!
add a jab right here.
Oh,
Jab.
punch.
Remember what we said. Strong. Give me those crosses. Oh, oh. Nice. Make sure you have that impact in 4, 3. Give me hooks. Hook. Nice. Stopping at that opposite shoulder. Strong.
Woo!
Come on. 4, 3,
2,
uppercuts. Low, low, high.
punch.
Up. Come on.
Hitting that chin.
Cassie, you look good.
Thanks, so do you.
2 more.
Of course she does.
Last one. Bob and weave again for 4, 3, jumping jacks up. High. We go straight into it, guys. First combo set. Single jabs this way. Come on. Here we go. Side. Oh, really hop into it. Keep that other arm up. Don't let your guard drop. Come on. 4, 3, jab, cross, hop it. And up. Jab, cross, up,
Jab, cross.
up.
Huh, huh,
Hey, oh.
huh,
Oh.
huh.
2 more.
Woo!
Hey, change it to a knee. Jab, cross, knees. Bring that knee up like you're striking a piece of wood. Come on. 2. Change that knee to a kick. Jab, cross, kick it.
Ooh, nice legs.
Woo!
Woo.
Remember, we're going for power, not height. Let's add a back kick right here. Jab, cross, back kick, knee, oh, front back, knee, A. This is our full combo. Come on, all the way out. How you doing, Cassie?
Kind of messed up.
You're good. Front, back, knee.
Do it again.
Front, back,
Knee.
1 more.
Front.
Keep it knee, back kick. Back, knees, knee out. Come on, back. Keep that guard up, guys. 4. Come on. 2. Hold that knee up, singles. Up. Nice. Keep it strong. We're only halfway done. So close. Come on. 4, 3,
2.
quick feet runs. Quick.
Woo!
Nice.
Huh,
How you doing? How you doing?
I'm
You
tired, but I like it.
Awesome. Add
Oh.
those arms.
Isn't she amazing?
Cassie's hot.
Woo!
Come on. Same thing. Left side.
Oh,
Or maybe you're right. In 4, 3,
2.
single jabs. Go. Nice. You did it once before. You know how to do it again.
Make sure you
Strong.
really flex your arms. Look at how strong you look.
Come on. 4, 3, jab, cross, hop it. And up. Driving from your hips. Drop that back knee. And up. Cross. And up. Jab, cross. Hoop. Jab, cross. Come on, come on. 4 more.
4,
Woo!
3, 2.
Last one.
Yeah.
Change to a knee. 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 Oh, come on. How you doing?
Good.
Is
Oh.
that sweat dripping?
Yes.
Awesome.
Oh.
We love sweat.
We
4,
like it.
3, 2. Now change it to a kick. Jab, cross, kick it, cross, kick it. Woo! Oh, what is your target? What is your energy coming from? Put it all out.
Yeah.
4, 3. Ready for that full combo?
Yep.
Add that back kick. Jab, cross, front, back. A, O, front, back. Come on. again. Jab, cross. Bring that knee in. Jab, cross. Back, knee, jab, cross. Back, knee. Back, knee, one more. Hold it, knee back kick. Right here, up. Hut. Hut, let me hear you. Hut, come on. Hut. Hut, two more. Hut. Hut, single knees. Singles. All right.
Ooh, that was good.
Just when you think you're done,
Oh no.
we have one cardio
Are you
burst.
serious?
Yeah, we are. Come on.
Okay. You go,
Woo.
girls.
Come on.
Yay.
Go, girls. Do it.
Woo.
Do it.
Oh yeah.
Do it. Love it. We love it.
Oh yeah, do it with us.
Come on.
Yeah.
Woo. Look at this.
Look at this.
We all do it. It's a party.
Yeah.
Anybody can do this.
Anyone can do
I'm
this.
60 years old and I'm loving it. Woo.
6, 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Look at this.
Yeah, it's time for you. 6.
They're so sexy.
3, 4, 6.
Bye. Bye. See, you can have fun
Hey, that
too.
was cool.
That was cool. All right, last cardio burst. Quick feet, runs. Come on, quick. In 4, 3, 2, tuck and turn. 4, 3, 2, tuck and turn. 4, 3,
2, tuck and turn. Whoops.
4, 3, 2, and up. And hold. Hold. And hold. Okay, Cassie.
Yeah.
Do you love me?
Oh no. Yes.
8 squat jumps, and we're done.
Okay.
Step it low, jump it high, 8 consecutive. In 4, 3, here we go, take it 8, 7, 6, 5, if you want, turn it 4, 3, 2, 1, kick it front, come on. Oh!
Oh.
Woo!
That was hard.
It's real hard.
I didn't expect that. Guest appearance.
No.
That's pretty cool.
We're out in, near the Golden Gate Bridge. They just walked by and joined the party.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you guys, you can do pop kicks at any age, as you can see. Have a lot of fun and invite your friends.
Yeah, and the best, the more sweat, the better. Oh! Sorry. Sorry.
Don't hug me. Don't hug me. Don't hug me.
Don't
Okay.
touch me. Don't touch me.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that Vlogalates TV production. You're going to be seeing a lot more of Jacqueline around here. Like I said, she's a cardio version of me. So come to this channel, Vlogalates TV, if you want to melt fat, tone up, and look your best.
Awesome. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Woo! Mwah! This is a cross. Nice. We also have a hook. Imagine there's a table in front of you. Your arm is 90 degrees. Slide it across that table. Stop by that opposite shoulder. Do that hook, hook, and hook. Make sure every time you're throwing a punch, heel comes off the ground. Off the ground. There you go.
And plus that knee action actually makes it look pretty sexy, like you know what you're doing, right?
Yeah. Woo!